Hello everyone, my name is Tanya McLeod, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the MailScripts salary scale, compensation plan, and benefits package. MailScripts is a pharmacy benefit management organization in the United States. They network pharmacy claims processing, they home delivery pharmacy services, specialty pharmacy benefit management, pharmacy benefit consultants, and cost management and patient care services are just many of the things that MailScripts offers to their customers. As a company, MailScripts promotes employee growth, health, and happiness, and they offer competitive salary scale compensation plans and a benefits package. Salary scales are one of the most sought after inquiries regarding a company. Whether a person is looking for a job, looking to switch jobs, or trying to justify a raise at their current job, salary scales are generally a very hot topic of discussion. A salary scale can easily be defined as the base pay that each job position starts out and caps out at within a company. Having a solid salary structure makes it easier to manage your salary expenditure. Not to mention, it can help retain your current employees, as well as make your recruiting, hiring, and promoting efforts more focused and easier to execute. In order to structure a fair, adequate, and competitive salary scale, there are several factors that MailScripts' HR department should evaluate. First, HR should establish value for each position within the company. In order to do this, HR must consider if a degree is required for the position, if any other qualifications or experiences are required, and what duties each position is responsible for completing. Second, HR will need to research the recent market values of each job position they offer to see what the going salary scale is for each job or one that is similar. Other factors that should go into HR's decision when creating a salary scale are considering the company's competitive posture, defining compensable leverage for the company, and looking at external inequalities. Since salary scales are highly sought after by most individuals, it is crucial for the MailScripts HR team to evaluate all these factors when the creation of the salary scales are in progress. At MailScripts, the salary scale is structured with a base pay and cap pay. For each position the company has to offer, starting out at base pay and reaching the cap pay will take approximately 2 years. However, if a person is hired and starts out at a salary different than the base pay, then they would reach their salary cap before the 2-year time frame. An employee advances up the salary scale with successful performance appraisals. MailScripts is a company that believes in promoting the growth of their employees, so appraisals are given to each employee every 6 months. The performance evaluations are meant to help the employees improve and grow, therefore the overall rating is either meets expectations or needs improvement. If an employee receives a meets expectations score, then they advance to the next step in the salary scale. Each step in the salary scale depends on the job title, and each step amount is different for each job. A compensation plan refers to all the different components of a compensation package, which includes wages, raises, incentives, tuition reimbursement, retirement funding, and more. Just like a salary scale, having a competitive compensation plan is crucial to an organization's success. In fact, many job-seeking individuals are only interested in applying for jobs at different organizations because of the desired compensation plan. Compensation plans are vital in order to recruit quality employees, keep good employees, and to keep employees satisfied in the workplace. All compensation plans begin with a base salary for each different job position that a company has to offer. At MailScripts, the base salary of each job is determined by qualifications, level of responsibility, and amount of experience. Once those factors have been evaluated, the HR department is then responsible for researching the current average salary scale for each position both locally and nationwide. For example, MailScripts has a position that is titled Director of Operations, Forecasting, and Analytics. This job requires a bachelor's degree, minimum 10 years of relevant work experience, and 5 or more years of progressive experience as a business operations analyst with forecasting and budgeting experience. Based on the research, the nationwide pay scale for this position is $95,000 to $216,000 per year, which is an average of $147,686 annually. The MailScripts HR team will then take all of this information and determine what is the best pay scale and starting base pay that the company can offer for this type of job. In order to stay competitive in their compensation plan, MailScripts also offers medical coverage to their full-time employees. Their medical plan has several different companies for employees to choose from with different price ranges. For example, MailScripts offers Blue Care Network, Physicians Health Plan, McLeod, and Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance packages. Each plan offers employees different copays, deductibles, and covered services so that employees can choose which plan and price are best for their family. In addition to different options, MailScripts will pay approximately 80% of the total cost of the insurance packages that is chosen. This will help to keep the average cost for family insurance to around $120 per pay period or $240 monthly. In order to qualify for medical coverage at MailScripts, the individual must be full-time and work 35 or more hours a week. All newly hired employees must successfully complete a 90-day probationary period. If an employee is married and insured through their spouse, they can also choose to decline MailScripts insurance and opt to receive a $150 per month buyout as an incentive. MailScripts does require proof of coverage under the spouse's insurance, and for those employees who are not married, MailScripts does require that some type of medical coverage be purchased. The requirement of medical coverage is to help protect the employee and the company. Dental insurance is also offered under the MailScripts compensation plan. Like the medical coverage, there are two different options of dental insurance for employees to choose from. Delta Dental is a premier dental insurance package that is available and costs around $4 per pay period for a family or $8 per month. Additionally, there is a Midwestern dental plan that is offered that is fully company paid. However, the deductibles for the Midwest dental plan are a bit higher and not as many dental services are covered under this company paid plan. As the cost of dental procedures continue to rise, MailScripts offers two great packages at a very affordable price. The last benefit offered to employees through the MailScripts compensation package is retirement fund options. MailScripts offers all full-time employees three options: a 401k plan, a Roth 401k plan, and a 457 plan. Employees are given literature to help inform them of the three different options so that they can select which option works best for their family. Because MailScripts expresses a strong corporate atmosphere of caring for their employees, they offer an excellent matching program for all retirement funds. As soon as an employee makes their first contribution to the plan of their choice, MailScripts also starts contributing an amount equal to 4% of their pay. In addition to the automatic 4%, MailScripts also matches dollar for dollar the first 3% of the employee's contribution each pay period. In other words, for an employee that invests 3% into their retirement fund, MailScripts will be contributing an additional 7%. For employees or potential employees, this is an important benefit that MailScripts provides to take care of their employees long term. A benefits package is considered to be discretionary benefit. Discretionary benefits are benefit payments made because of unilateral management decisions in non-union firms and from labor management negotiations in unionized firms. There are three types of discretionary benefits: protection programs, paid time off, and services. A benefits package is a service because it provides enhancements to employees and their families. These types of benefits are important because they bring a lot of different values to the employee and their family. There are many cases where a benefits package allows an employee to either attend college or afford childcare when they could not otherwise afford these luxuries. One of the most sought-after benefits at MailScripts is their tuition reimbursement plan. MailScripts developed a fund that helps to provide partial reimbursement of college courses for those employees to meet guidelines of the program. A director must grant the approval for an employee to qualify. Up to 50% of eligible expenses are eligible for reimbursement. Payments are made on a fiscal year basis. The employee must maintain a GPA of 2.0 or higher for undergraduate levels or 3.0 or higher for a graduate level. Failure to maintain required GPA will result in repayment back to MailScripts. Short-term disability is also a part of the benefits package that MailScripts offers to their employees. Short-term disability is an option that is offered to employees at a small cost, and it helps to cover unexpected events such as illness and off-duty injuries. The maximum weeks allowed for short-term disability is 52. The weekly benefit is not to exceed 70% of an employee's earnings, and the average cost is approximately $5 to $10 per pay period. Long-term disability is also offered to full-time employees, and it is offered at no additional cost to the employee. The employee must enroll during the open enrollment period. Long-term disability would take effect after 14 days. The payout to the employee is twice per month, and the monthly benefits are not to exceed 66.6% in an employee's monthly rate of basic earnings. Long-term disability is automatically granted as long as the employee signs up during open enrollment, and short-term disability is strictly optional to the employee. MailScripts offers two types of life insurance benefits to their employees: supplemental term life insurance and universal life insurance with long-term care. Both of these life insurance policies are excellent choices and offer two different cost options for employees. The supplemental term life insurance has maximum amounts for an employee and their spouse of $700,000 and dependents max out at $10,000. The cost of the supplemental term depends on the individual's age, and the cost is approximately $1.24 biweekly for every $20,000 of coverage for someone between the ages of 30 to 50 years old. The universal life insurance with long-term care has a guaranteed issue amount of $75,000 for employees up to age 64 and also offers long-term care coverage at $3,000 per month for up to 50 months. Since the cost of assisted living, home health care, and nursing home services are extremely high, this coverage is appealing to many middle-aged employees. The cost of the universal life insurance with long-term care also depends on the individual's age. However, the cost is approximately $63.90 biweekly for coverage for someone between the ages of 35 and 55 years old. The final benefit that MailScripts offers to their employees as part of their benefits package is vacation time. All full-time employees earn vacation time at the same rate, regardless of their position within the company. Each employee starts out with 16 hours of annual leave upon hire, and each pay period, which is bi-weekly, they accrue 4 hours of vacation pay. After 4 years of service are completed, the employee will start receiving an additional hour of vacation pay that is accrued. For example, once an employee completes 4 years of employment, they will start earning 5 hours of vacation pay, and after 8 years of employment, they will earn 6 hours of vacation per pay period. No employee shall have more than 720 hours of banked vacation pay at a time, and if an employee does not have enough vacation to cover their requested time off, then their leave request will not be granted. The human resources team here at MailScripts has a strong commitment to make MailScripts a competitive company in the salary scale, compensation plan, and benefit package department. The MailScripts HR team plays a crucial role in the forming and upkeep of the compensation plan and benefits package. They believe in strong communication. HR is committed to the success of the company and its employees, and they are also committed to doing annual reviews of all plans to ensure the best for their employees and the company itself. Thank you all for listening to this MailScripts presentation, and I hope that we can take this information on the salary scale, the compensation plan, and the benefits packages and make this a success in this new company. Thank you.